Thinking of starting a landscaping business in Singapore? With Singapore's vision as a city in nature, demand for professional landscaping, maintenance, and greenery solutions continues to grow. Step 1. Define your service scope. Will you focus on landscape design, garden maintenance, rooftop greenery, vertical gardens, or commercial landscaping contracts? A clear niche helps you compete effectively. Step 2. Register your business with ACRA and understand regulatory requirements. Landscaping companies may need relevant registrations with government agencies, especially when bidding for public or large commercial projects. Step 3. Operations and safety. From equipment and manpower to workplace safety and insurance, proper planning ensures efficient and compliant service delivery. Step 4. Financial management and growth. Managing cash flow, manpower costs, and taxes is essential for long-term sustainability in a project-based business. With the right setup and professional guidance, your landscaping business can flourish. 3E Accounting Singapore supports landscaping entrepreneurs with incorporation, compliance, and tax planning. Visit our website to get started today.